blum, 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 blum. It started. All right. No, it's got gas in it. It doesn't put out. Yeah, that's fine. All righty. 3 equations, 3 unknowns. First step in this is you have to eliminate one of the variables. So let's look at these 3 equations right here. X plus y plus z equals -1. 2x minus y plus 2z equals -5. And -x plus 2y minus z equals 4. You eliminate it by doing just adding or subtracting 2 equations together first. All right, you always work off 2 equations. You can work and call this 1, 2, and 3. I can, in this case here, if you notice, I've got a plus z and a minus z. All right, I would add my first one to my third one, wouldn't I? Well, sure I would. So if I added x plus y plus z equals -1 to -x plus 2y minus z equals 4. What if I added these 2 together? What would I end up with? X's cancel out, right? Y plus 2y is 3y. Z minus z is 0. Minus 1 plus 4 is 3. Divide both sides by 3. Y equals 1. What can I do right away? I can fill in each one of my y's on this. I can fill in y for it, right? Yeah, I can put it in there. Now I'm down to 2 variables. Can I grab one of the 2 equations and add them together? Sure. Figure out which ones you want to do. Maybe you want to do, let's see, we've got our y's taken care of already. So you figure out which ones you want to go to. Let's do I want to get rid of my x's, let's say. So I can't do 1 and 3 again because I'm going to get rid of my x's and y, or my x's and z's, right? So let's do 1 and 2. And if I put 1 in for y on each one of these and bring this over, this is going to end up being a -2. This is going to be a -4. So I've got x plus z equals -2. And I've got 2x plus 2z equals -4. Oh my gosh, this should be a real easy one. What do you think on this one? X and Z are going to be -1 and -1. It can't be -1, -1. It won't be. What is it going to be? Well, let's multiply this top one by 2. Make this -4. Add these 2. 0. 4z equals -8, right? Z equals -2. So I got my z. I've got my y. I can put my z back into, we did this one here. It was x plus z equals -2. If I put x plus a -2 equals -2, then x is going to equal 0. I've just figured out my x, my z, and my y. Yep. You guys have to do 1 through 12. Just kidding. This is the practice. This is the practice. Here's what I want, and this is going to be real easy for you guys. Let's go into the assessment. Not that easy. Come on. take a look at the assessment. Oh, we got 6 of them here. 6 of them. I want you to do 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. On the first page. On the first page. And then on the second page. This is by substitution. Don't do any. All right? Don't worry about substitution with 3. I just want you to do elimination, like I showed you. 1, 2, and 3. What's that? Or simplify them best you can, yeah. Get it down to one variable. Hey. You said before that. Before that. God dang it, I don't like that. That's on the recording for everybody to hear. All right. I will put this back up for you, Preston, so you have it. We're doing 1, 2, and 3. These are by elimination. Don't worry about substitution. Substitution will do 2 equations.